My approach to cross-examination, I'll tell you, I learned it the hard way. It doesn't take that long if you really listen and you really have a lot of experience. But you always get better at it if you listen and learn. The key to cross-examination is to control the witness so that the witness does not control you. I've even broken down the unresponsive answers, and this is what throws young lawyers off. I've broken down unresponsive answers into quibbles, speeches, recasting your question. Mr. Berg, you don't want to know the value of the property, you want to know the cost. No, I asked you about the value, Mr. Witness. And learning how to control witnesses who do not answer your questions directly is a key to great cross. The human mind, those jurors sitting over there, or the judge, need a direct answer. You know, when you ask your kid, did you do your homework? And he says, well, I brought home my book. You know, first of all, you want to kill him. And secondly, your kid is not giving you a direct answer. So you know he's not telling the truth. That's the first thing you have to do. To me, however, the most important thing that a trial lawyer can do is to keep a calm mind. They did a study back in the 60s of the great baseball players. And they've tried to figure out why Mickey Mantle and Ted Williams and Stan Musial, why these guys were so great. And a more modern example would be Tiger Woods and his Zen-like focus. Those guys, those baseball players, could read the seams on the ball. Is it a curveball? Is it going to be a slider? Is it just a fastball? So I always say, read the seams on the testimony. Listen. That's what I learned from Racehorse Haynes. Listen to the answer. And don't get panicked. All of us, don't get me wrong, have gotten an answer or two that we didn't see coming. You know, on a panel once, I asked for selecting a jury. I asked the panel about punitive damages, and this elderly gentleman in the back said, son, why do you need all that money? Well, I'm greedy, sir. Would that do the answer? I mean, everybody gets an answer where your medulla oblongata slips out your ear. But just stay calm. And there's much more to it. But go buy my book, and you'll see.